Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Tuesday, January 16th, 2024. Let's take a look at the daily time frame chart of the Bitcoin to Tether at Zondacrypto. As you can see, we got this candlestick chart here, and we can clearly see that we got the big reversal on the last swing high. So let's just dig in a little bit deeper here. This pin bar here is very characteristic. This pin bar here is of course the reversal candle. We can call it a kind of a doji candle as well, gravestone doji almost, which is very bearish indication. And the high of this candle of course is located at 48,700, and then we got the confirmation, a very big down candle here with the lows that are right now work or act as a intraday technical support, 41,751. Those levels here are really important in the short term. So the overall decrease from the highs to the low was already 14.27%. So big decrease, big correction, big pullback. All of it is, it's sell the news, right? So that kind of a market mechanism worked here very well. This is the Bitcoin approval, up and down whipsaw trading. Then the Bitcoin was approved, so that was no longer any surprise, and everyone sold the news. So intraday technical support is on the chart. Intraday technical resistance is 43,353. So this of course level is in red. One more level I would like to show you guys is the high from the 47,800. So right now we got very nice zone. And it looks like moreover that this is the top for the biggest and the strongest wave in the whole wave progression, the wave 3. Why? Let me just show you guys the awesome oscillator. This is awesome oscillator, will be of course labeled as let me just take a look at the awesome oscillator. There you go. This is the awesome oscillator. So let me just figure it out just a little bit. We need this and we need this, and that's it. So the point is that higher we go, lower the momentum is. If we zoom out, you can see that this movement to the upside, you see from here, from this lows here, or you look at the momentum, you see this is the breakout from minus to zero, and then there is a nice spike to the upside, then another spike to the upside, and up we go. And this is big momentum, okay, and then we got the correction and another big momentum. And despite the fact that the market went a little bit higher, so it went from let me just mark it here, from this high to this high, okay, and the momentum went absolutely lower. You can see it straight on. It means that even if the market made a new high, the momentum was lower. So the new high was made on the very low interest from the momentum whatsoever, which is why we got the bearish divergence on negative divergence. Price is doing the higher highs, momentum is doing the lower highs. So if this is the top for the wave 3, because it is the top for the wave 3, that must be the wave 5. So let me just point it out for you straight on from the bottom. You got the movement to the upside, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, the consolidation, something like this in wave 4, and then wave 5 to the upside. So whole progression is now done, and we should prepare for more downside to come. There will be no surprise if the downside will hit the lows of the wave 4, which is 40,190. There is no surprise whatsoever, and there is no surprise whatsoever even if we will go lower towards 38,320. So let me just add one more thing here for your appreciation of the chart. There it is, 20 periods moving average. Of course, you can take a look and see that we are already trading below this levels, and now we got the channel between 100 and 200 periods moving average. So there will be some sort of the support here around the 38,320 level from the 100 periods moving average. So please be aware of the fact that it might be the last let's say level for the bulls to resume the uptrend. Okay, the 38,000, roughly between 38,320 and 40,190. Very wide demand zone. Nevertheless, this is how the market moves in this level, between these levels. Please notice the fact that there is no test of this level whatsoever. 38,320. There was just a breakout, green candles, no test. So if we want to see the nice solid breakout to the upside, the market must test the previous resistance. Of course, it's obvious it was the resistance, and then if the resistance is tested and if there is a demand, the market might reverse and move higher, and this is a valid breakout. For now, this breakout is okay, but it's not valid that much, so we need to wait for the market to test this level. It's absolutely perfect for the market to go towards this level. Momentum is already negative, so a spike down and then reversal to the upside is very much welcome. So in that situation, let me just point it out, the last thing here. In that situation, we would see some sort of the 20, almost 22% of the correction, which is absolutely in line with our expectations, and then the market will be ready to resume the uptrend. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.